I know there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. There is a lot of fear in the market. और हम जानते भी नहीं हैं कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. बट जिस तरह से सब सिनेरियो जा रहा है, the world will definitely be looking at India as the second option. And not only the second, now the first option, whom they can trust and rely upon. I'm Ruchi from Bhamri Solar Private Limited. आज मैं आपको 5 reasons बताऊंगी why it makes sense for factories to have solar. So 5 reasons why it makes full sense for factories to go solar are: Number 1, this is the best time in the history of mankind जब solar panels की cost इतनी सस्ती हुई है. और not only that, ये सबसे ज़्यादा सस्ते इंडिया में हैं आज. And most factories, they run during the day, and that's the best time for generation through solar power. And for factories benefit क्या होता है? अगर हम TOD टाइम ऑफ डे देखेंगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा यूनिट रेट जो होता है वो दोपहर के टाइम पे होता है. सो फैक्ट्रीज कैन गेट एडवांटेज कि दे विल नॉट बी बाइंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम द ग्रिड, इंस्टेड वुड बी प्रोड्यूसिंग देयर ओन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बाय हैविंग अ सोलर प्लांट. फैक्ट्रीज़ में बहुत काम आने वाला है. और अगर आप कल को फैक्ट्री को एक्सपैंड करना चाहते हैं तो व्हाट इज़ द थिंग दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड? सबसे पहले होगा यू विल वांट टू इंक्रीज द लोड. नाउ व्हेन यू वांट टू इंक्रीज द लोड, व्हाट आर द कॉस्ट दैट इज इन्वॉल्व? वन, द मोमेंट यू गेट द लोड enhanced, there's going to be a fixed recurring cost which you have to pay every month, whether you have the order in hand or not. You have to pay that fixed rent. Number 2, the cost of laying that cable will be very high because a new cable would be required to feed into your entire system. But instead, if you choose to go for a solar plant, you can get that extra load which is required during the daytime through a solar plant. So no fixed charges and no MDI penalties. Fourth reason why factories should have solar are because you can claim 100% depreciation benefit. You can claim 40% in the first year and then 40-20 in the subsequent years. Fifth most important point is that factories have idle flat roof, which makes it ideal for solar plant. For any queries, you can contact the team at Bhamri Solar. We would be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much and goodbye.